Again, on Facebook monetization, if you are a content creator that's still doing Africa, I'm sure you probably heard and you are worried about your page being, will you be able to monetize your page? Yes, it is true. Not all African countries can monetize their pages on Facebook. Not all African content creators who reside in some African countries can monetize their pages. I'm going to drop a link in this video which shows you the countries that are eligible. So you should first of all go check that to know if your country is eligible for you to monetize your page. Right? So you can only monetize your page if you are in an eligible country. Now, aside that, if you are not in an eligible country, there are some things you could do. Now, one of which is actually first to set up your page by an admin in an eligible country. So someone who is in an eligible country, you give them your details, they help you set up your page, right? So they become the admin of your page and they're from an eligible country. Okay? So that way you can now apply for Facebook monetization. Right? The second way you could do it would be to make someone in an eligible country an admin. Right? Some people use Fiverr. They go to Fiverr, look for guys who gigs and they reside in an eligible country, and they use that. Then the gig will be to get those guys to help them apply for eligibility for Facebook monetization. Help them apply for monetization. Then afterwards, they will now have to send them their posts, their uploads for them to upload. Because the truth is, although someone else helped you with Facebook monetization, if the post on that page still comes from a country that is not eligible, Facebook will demonetize the page. So aside the person that's there, being the person that will help you with the monetization page, it will also help you, he or she will also help you run those posts or make those uploads, videos, your posts, any of them. So help you make those uploads from which you can now earn. Right? So the third thing you will do is now to make yourself an editor on your page. Now that's a very, very strange thing. But you have to make yourself an editor on your page. What that does is sometimes some information, some important information, you will not be able to see it. So that means you have to, the person who you are making an admin on your page has to be someone you trust. And so if you can't trust a Fiverr person, you should go look for an agency. There are agencies that do that. So you go ahead and do search for the agencies. Right? I can't really recommend it to you. Go ahead and do search for the agencies that you use, right, to do that. So till Facebook, they shall know how to or have mercy upon us and make our country eligible and some other African countries eligible. You can only use that method. So now I don't know if Nigeria is eligible, right? But you can also use that method. You can check on the link. Nigeria is eligible according to that which I so Nigeria is not yet eligible. So you can check on those countries and see what you probably have a relative in, not be so bothersome, or who it won't be so bothersome. Just probably do that and post it. Right? Some people think they could use VPN. Well, I think Facebook gets their machine gets smarter, their algorithm gets smarter. So soon your VPN will stop working. Imagine you build something, now you suddenly have to use it. Or probably forgetting to log in. That's with your VPN trying to make it. So that's the best way to do it for now. So lastly, for those who do not know how to make an admin, we will also give you a link to the video. Right? Link to a video on how to make it. So if you enjoy this kind of content, give this video a like. You can follow for more of this kind of content. We are still exploring more into monetizing your Facebook page. Alright.